Tomorrow we're gonna go over here with the sisters.
I think so. Maybe I'll do it when you guys are in school. Let's go. You got a cut, Amy. Be careful with that.
You know that this was the Southwest?
Oh yeah, you want to put it down with me.
Huh?
Where's the Southwest?
I don't know. West, southwest. It's kind of southwest.
West.
Okay, where?
I barely can see. Oh, I could see the blue.
You filming? You filming?
What?
Are you filming?
I have a new itch over here. Are you trying to follow me?
No, I'm making a film.
Oh.
I'm making sure nobody gets lost in the back.
What? Someone over here smells like cigarettes.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Okay, maybe that crazy lady's in the bushes again.